All right, everybody, so we have a PS5 here. We have a disassembly. Riley's going to take it apart and show us how to do that. And what tools do we need here, Riley?
For this disassembly, we just need a Phillips. This is a Phillips 1 and a Torx 8.
Okay.
As well as something heavy to get the panels off.
Now, this is the PlayStation 5 that actually has a disk drive on it.
The optical.
Optical drive on it, yeah. So it's a little bit different disassembly than the regular one. All right, let's get to it. This peels right off.
And you need the Phillips just for this expansion bay. Everything else is going to be the Torx 8. That's where you'd put your extra SSD if you have one. So I'm just going to pop this off first. Kind of just pulls up and pulls away. And you need to take that off to get to these two screws. But let's start with the fan. And this you don't have to take it out, it just kind of came out. You just make sure you hook it on both sides. Shroud comes straight off, and then there should be one ribbon cable left holding on the disk drive. Now you want to push down on the metal tab to release it, like so, and then you just take the disc drive out like that. And now for the fun bit. I'm not even going to count how many screws, but all of these silver screws along the perimeter holding this steel plate on need to be removed. So, this will be a while. Now we got to disconnect everything. There are 3 ribbon cables and 2 Wi-Fi antennas that need to be attached. I guess this one could wait. And this one, same deal. Push down, metal tab, pull. And these, just lift them up, and then lift the tape, or rip the tape that's holding them on. Now, the plate should come off.
Okay.
Just get all your bunch of cool. Now to take the motherboard out, we've got to remove the rest of the connected components, or cables. This one and this one. There's a little plastic tab you can grip. This one's tricky. And then push down on this metal lever. Now there are 4 screws left holding on. Right there, 2 Torx 8, and then the 2 Phillips holding on the giant clamp over there. Okay. Now, board. Pull up. There we have it.
I need to respread that liquid metal.
You shouldn't have to. It's pretty reusable as long as you don't touch it.
Alright guys, so there you have it. There is the disassembly. So watch the second part on how to do the HDMI port. Just click the link above for that. And we thank you to like, subscribe, and to put the notifications on for our next videos coming out. And I hope this helps you guys. If you want to do this yourself, you're welcome to do a mail-in repair to us. Just hit the mail-in tab on tekkies.store, and we'll be glad to do this repair for you. Thank you guys, and have a great day.